Still amazing coming from this vet. Sa cream line kanina. Oh! That's an ace. Tira yung timing. Oh!
Mababantayan din kasi yung mga wing attackers na pag puro doon lang yung bigay.
Atienza, a chase by Alyssa. And another chance here for Zeus to regroup. And again to Kate Santiago one more time. Whoop! And here comes Creamline. It's Gemma Galanza, stopped by Chini Arroyo.
Drop ball!
Oh, perfect execution there for Michelle Gumabao, just thinking on her toes or in the air. Wait, teka muna.
Oh, dahil ang lalakas na ng pinapakawalan nilang palo. So, for sure, yung defense aatras eh. Mag-aantay lang yung nakapwesto dito. Dahil because of that attack ni Kate Santiago, may bumagsak na bola doon sa likod. Who will get that point, that coverage?
Yan ang version ni Coach Sherwin ng, this is you, this is you.
With Zeus Coffee, 1 point na lang ang kailangan nila para makatay sa score ditong Creamline.
Good pickup by Santiago. Ceballos is in the game. And again, it's hard really to go against Michelle Gumabao, who really knows how to hit out.